Okay, let's check this equipment for inspection and calibration. Would you mind giving me some space to do my job?
Welcome to Instrumentsdirect. I hope you're all safe and healthy. Well, it appears that the lost treasure turned out to be a crate of old ultrasonic flow meters in for a service and calibration. Before you ask me, the scene with me and Paul, our service manager, was filmed last year, long before the social distancing was implemented. So I hope you're being mindful of others by washing your hands and practicing social distancing. Now, since you may be faced with some downtime, it's a perfect time for you to send in your ultrasonic flow meter for inspection, service, and calibration. So, when we get to the other side of this mess, we'll be ready to go and make some of those field calibrations, flow surveys, spot checks, or just determine how much water you're using. Now, if it's safe and practical for you to get your ultrasonic flow meter to us, the process is simple. First, you go to our website, Instrumentsdirect.com. Then you select Services. Here you can click on Request a Calibration or Repair and Evaluation links, and it will take you to our live chat. Tell them that you want a calibration or service. They will ask you for an email, company, and zip code, and then we will email you a quote along with the shipping instructions. Of course, if you have a question or you prefer just to call, the phone number is 888-722-5543, or you can drop us an email at sales@instrumentsdirect.com. Now, not to worry about the processing of your equipment, our service department uses all the health, safety, and social distancing best practices.
All right, is this close enough?
6 inches back.
All right, too awkward? All right.
As I said, this was filmed last year. Thanks for watching our video. This is Brent Baird for Instrumentsdirect. Now, remember, we're open for business and we're here to help. If you have any questions about flow meters or if you'd like to discuss an application, just give us a shout. Now, if you're stuck at home and you're starting to suffer from cabin fever, it's time for you to travel someplace else. Yeah, by using your imagination.